Hello students, welcome back. Let's take up another board question from this year 2025, and this question is of 3 marks. The question is, define 1 volt potential difference between 2 points in an electric field. Second is, draw a schematic diagram of an electric circuit of a cell of 1.5 volt, 5 ohm and 10 ohm resistor and a plug key all connected in series. Calculate the current drawn from the cell when the key is closed. So first we have to define what is 1 volt of potential difference between 2 points in an electric field. So let's understand this first and then we'll define. Now let us say suppose there is a charge placed over here. Now because of this there is an electric field which is developed around this charge, right? So each charge has its own electric field. So let this be the electric field around this charge. Now there are 2 points. Let's say this is point A and this is point B. Now it's given that the potential difference between these 2 points in this electric field is 1 volt. So we have to define 1 volt. Now what is 1 volt? First let's write down, then I'll explain you. So potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another in the electric field region. That is, if in taking 1 coulomb of charge from point A to point B, we have to do 1 joule of work, then the potential difference between these 2 points would be said to be 1 volt. So, if 1 joule of work is done to bring 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another in the electric field region, then the potential difference between these 2 points is said to be 1 volt. So I hope you have understood this. Let's solve the second bit. The second bit says draw a schematic diagram of an electric circuit of a cell of 1.5 volt. So let's draw. So this is a cell of 1.5 volt. Then we have a 5 ohm and a 10 ohm resistor and a plug key, all are connected in series. So this wire goes, it bends over here, again it bends. Here we have the 5 ohm resistor, here we have the 10 ohm resistor, again the wire bends, and here we have the plug key. Now this is the 5 ohm resistor, this is the 10 ohm resistor. This completes our electric circuit diagram. Now let's find out the current drawn from the cell when this key is closed. Now the overall current in the circuit will be determined by the total resistance of this circuit. Now if we find out the total resistance of this circuit, then since we have the potential difference of the battery given over here, we can apply Ohm's law to find out the current in the circuit. So let's find out the equivalent resistance first. So the resistors 5 ohm and 10 ohm are connected in series. So let me write down R1 is 5 ohm, R2 is 10 ohm. Hence the resistance in series is given by R1 plus R2, which is 5 plus 10, that is 15 ohm. Hence the equivalent resistance of the circuit is 15 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance RS. Now we have the potential difference given is 1.5 volt. So now we'll apply Ohm's law. Applying Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So I will be V by R. The potential difference is 1.5 volt. By the equivalent resistance we got here is 15 ohm, which is 15 by 15 into 10, which is 1 by 10, that is 0.1 ampere. Hence the current in the circuit is 0.1 ampere. So I hope you have understood the solution to this question. If you found this video helpful, please do like this video, share it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Please watch the playlist containing the solved physics questions and numericals from the previous year's board exams. I've shared the link of the playlist in the description box. It will be very helpful to you while preparing for your exams.